Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with admin access because removing a sign-in method needs permission. Once you've backed up files, open settings and go straight to accounts. You'll see sign-in options listed. This is where Windows stores methods like PIN, password, and Windows Hello. Select the method you plan to remove. Make sure you know the current password or PIN since the system will verify it. If you're in a managed environment, check with IT first. Otherwise, proceed to disable the target sign-in. You now perform the removal. Choose the sign-in option shown and click Remove or Change. When prompted, enter your password or PIN to authenticate because Windows prevents unauthorized changes. For PIN, click Remove and Confirm. For Windows Hello, remove fingerprints or face data. If biometric hardware persists, open Device Manager and disable the corresponding sensor. Make sure drivers are updated, since old drivers can recreate enrollment entries. Once removed, restart to let you finish by restarting and testing that the unwanted sign-in is gone and that you can access the laptop using the remaining methods. If you plan to add a different method, reconfigure it now. Make sure to use robust authentication and keep recovery options updated. If removal failed, try Safe Mode to remove credentials or use system, restore to roll back recent changes. These steps fix locked settings. If you're still blocked, contact IT or support. They can reset account bindings without data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.